Jim, who lives in Lindenhurst, retired firefighter, and now he's a local real estate agent. We invited him into LensDirect. He got his lenses replaced in his Harley Davidson frames and wanted you to meet an actual customer at LensDirect and understand his experience.
For me, I've had these glasses for probably about 15 years. I got them when my parents were still alive. They're Harley Davidson branded glasses. They're actually discontinued. And for years, I've had a lens missing and I was trying to find a replacement for them. And nobody would touch them. I went and searched online. I found LensDirect, and price was right. Sent them in. They sent them back to me within a couple of weeks. Really thrilled with the outcome. I mean, the glasses fit great. I got a great pair of glasses that every time I put them on, I think about my parents.
So when you went to the store, how much were they charging you?
Oh my God,
for those? If they would even take them.
The one place that I went to said that they couldn't promise me anything, but they figured it would be around $600–700.
So I'll tell you, I looked at your order. Your order was $110 with free shipping.
Correct.
It was a fraction of the $600–700 that they were going to charge you if they could even do it successfully.
Correct.
So many times, so often we hear about a pair of frames that have emotional and sentimental value, and it means the world to me, to LensDirect, that we're able to push along those memories and let people wear, those beautiful moments.
As an added bonus, it was nice to be able to actually have the CEO on premises, get to meet him, and it was just really nice to know that something that's been in my family for almost 20 years that was close to me is getting taken care of by a family-run business like this. It's been an absolute honor to be able to come in.